Guys, everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Ready.
Yo, what up guys, Life.ATV here, and today I'm kind of bringing you a part of the video before the actual video takes place. We are going to wash the Honda for a special occasion on Saturday. See you there. Little before.
Guys, it's Cody here. We got a different type of video for you guys today. In a previous video, Danny said him and his fiancee Lainey are expecting a baby. They don't know what the gender is, but Lainey went to an ultrasound with her sister Lacey, and Lacey was told what the gender was. So the whole family's going over to Danny's house now. We're having a big party for him, and we're gonna unveil the baby's gender to him in a special way. I'm on my way there now. I'm taking the YFZ with us, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes.
Hey guys, Life.ATV here. We're back with a vlog. So I'll kind of show you the party setup we're rolling with for the gender reveal party. Here we go. Looking pretty good. We got balloons. Here's where the food's gonna be. Places to sit. Let me run out here real fast to show you. Here's the Honda, just waiting for the powder to be blown out of her.
Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My bracelet, I'm mad. Her bracelet, her man, no. Everybody got the same sweat, no. All the way that I chat, no. Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to my bed falling over. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Hey, Johnny, all the pain out. Please, Johnny, make it go away. I'm committed, not addicted, but it keep controlling me. Out of pain, I can feel it. I swear that it's slowing me. Yeah, I don't really care if you cry.
Do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl, Beansy?
A girl.
A girl? Code Bud, boy or girl?
It's gonna be a girl, dog.
It's gonna be a girl?
It's gonna be a girl.
I think it's gonna be a girl too, guys. Lainey.
What's up?
Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy?
Boy.
I don't know what color it's gonna be, but it's gonna be a girl.
Graham, what team are you?
Girl.
Girl.
Ready, guys? Everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Ready.
That's a girl! Oh, it's a Team Big wins! Yay! Team Big wins! Yay! It's a girl! Oh. It's a girl! Merci. It's a girl! It's a girl!